In today's video, I will show you how to install Bazzite Linux on your PC or laptop. This is the perfect SteamOS alternative for PC gaming. Now for this demonstration, I will be using my HP Pavilion gaming laptop running Windows 11 and I will be replacing it with Bazzite. You can also install Bazzite on a separate drive or dual boot alongside Windows 11 on the same drive. If you are interested in either method, check the video links in the description for detailed instructions. The only requirement of this video, you need USB drive with 16 GB of storage or higher. Then head over to Bazzite website and download the latest version. To download the Bazzite ISO image, click download and answer a few questions to get the correct image for your hardware. Bazzite supports a wide range of devices including the Steam Deck, Legion Go, GPD, and much more. In my case, I am selecting other laptop and choosing NVIDIA as the GPU vendor since my laptop has RTX 3050. Then choose the desktop environment as KDE. Now keep in mind that Bazzite works great on gaming laptops with AMD GPU in gaming mode. NVIDIA GPUs are also supported, but gaming mode is currently in beta. And I will be using the desktop experience instead. After making these selections, you will get the download link for the ISO image with full NVIDIA GPU support. This ISO is around 8 GB in size and the download may take a while to complete. Next, visit the Bellina Etcher website and download this application. Once it's done downloading all the files, place them somewhere on your computer for easy navigation. Now go ahead and open Etcher. Now choose Flash from File and import the Bazzite ISO image. Then connect your USB drive to your computer. Now choose your USB drive as the target disk and click Flash. Now wait for the flashing process to complete. Once it's done, go ahead and reboot your computer into BIOS using the keyboard shortcut based on your motherboard. Now mostly it could be F2, F9, F10 or the escape key. The first thing to do after entering into BIOS is to enable USB boot. Then go ahead and disable Secure Boot. You can also enable Secure Boot if you want. Then change the boot order by setting the USB drive as the primary boot device. Once it's done, save the changes. Now boot your system into Bazzite from USB drive. Now once you are inside the Bazzite Linux, go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi or Internet. Then choose Install Bazzite option. Now select your language and keyboard layout. Then choose your date and time. Then click Change Destination and choose the disk you want to install Bazzite. Then choose Entire Disk. This will erase all the data inside it. so make sure you have backed up anything important. You can also encrypt the drive if you want. Then create a user account and password. Then choose Erase and Install. Now sit back and relax. The process will take some time depending on the writing speed of your drive. When the installation is complete, go ahead and turn off your system. When the screen goes black, eject the USB drive. Then turn on your system and it will boot into Bazzite Linux. For the first time, it will ask you to enroll the secure boot key. Since I have disabled the secure boot, I will continue to boot normally. And voila, Bazzite is successfully installed. After installing Bazzite, the post-installation setup helps you install essential applications, apply fixes, and configure your system. Next, open Bazzite portal and use the available options to complete the setup. Now let me show you the About page. I am running the Bazzite NVIDIA edition, which comes with pre-installed NVIDIA drivers, essential applications, loot trace, and much more. The desktop edition comes pre-installed with Steam application, which allows you to play most of your Windows games using Proton. Now once you're ready, log in with your Steam account. Now let me go ahead and download some games. Overall, Bazzite Linux is a stable operating system designed to deliver the excellent gaming experience. Since it's built on Fedora Atomic, every update keeps the previous version on your system. If the update ever causes issues, you can easily roll back to the previous version from the boot menu. And that's pretty much it, and that's how you properly install and configure Bazzite Linux on your PC or laptop. Let me know what do you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.